Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to give tattoo effect in any image by using Photoshop. You can choose and download lots of free image from Pexels.com for use. So let's start. Here I selected one image and other is tattoo images. Here are two images. So you can duplicate these images to your main image. I select both tattoo images and mouse right click and duplicate to your selected file name. Here is duplicate images, reposition it. Work on first image, right click to this icon and choose blending options and here choose multiply. Here you can see it already look fine. Let's check again. Here you can see one petal but it is not two. Press Alt and drag left side petal. You can see effect, it is mergen with skin. Position it. Perfect. Let's do same steps with other two. Now it looking awesome. Here are some other images too. Learn and try it on your image.